Hi, welcome to this DCP Web tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your very own Google Plus community. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you that I'm logged into my Google Plus profile page. And here you can see all my posts, and I want to create my own community. You can find many other communities on Google Plus, and the idea is you create almost like a place where other people can join and you can all conversate, or you can post messages and tutorials or whatever you want to post within the realms of this community. So typically communities on a specific subject could be on like WordPress or graphic design or photography, loads of different subjects. So I'm going to go and create my own community now, and I do a lot of video tutorials, so I want to make a community that is really based around video tutorials. So the people that join this community can post their own video tutorials if they want to post them, and that's really what I want to do. So I'm going to go up to this profile tab here, and I'm going to click on communities, and then I'm going to click on this create a community button here. It's going to ask me whether it's public or whether it's private, and I want it to be public because I want everyone else to join. And it's asking me what do I want to call this community itself. So I'm going to call it business video tutorials. So it's tutorials for businesses related around a wide range of subjects. Most of my tutorials are application software based, but we may put other sort of video tutorials up here explaining other things as well at a later date. Do people need permission to join? No, anyone can join. So I would advise that anyone can join. There's another option here saying yes, anyone can ask to join, but that's a bit long. It's not really the kind of option that I want to select. I don't want people to have to ask to join and then I have to allow them to join. I just want them to be able to join. So I'm going to click on this create community. It's going to be a public one, and then here Google's asking me, do I really want to create this community or do I want to join some other ones that might already exist? And I want to create my own one, so I'm going to click this create your own. So on the next step, there's a few things to fill out here, and here's a tagline. So in the tagline I'm going to say learn something new today. So that's the tagline. Business video tutorials is what the community is going to be called, and the tagline will be learn something new today. Then Google's asking me to pick a photo, so you can use like a little community photo, just kind of representing what this community is about. So I've already got a photo ready. I've got this one here. I'm going to drag and drop it like Google's asking me to into the web browser. I'm just going to wait for this to upload. It will take a few seconds. Okay, so the image is uploaded and I need to crop it. So this will allow me to crop the image. I can place the cropping wherever I want it to be. I can't use the full width of the image, so I want to crop it around here. This guy's kind of teaching. This, you can almost think of this like some sort of, it's really a blackboard, but I might change this image at a later date. I just want to use this for now. It's someone learning basically. It's all about learning this particular community. So I'm going to say set community photo down here, and Google's going to do a little bit of work to recrop it. And here we can see the image in here now, and then here it says all posts, and it's giving me the category, so I can add another category here. So I'm going to add one. I'm going to call it video tutorials. And when I click out of there, it's going to make that category. I'm going to get rid of discussion. I don't really want that there. I just want everything to be posted on here is going to be a video tutorial. Then in here it's asking me to give a description. So I've already written a description. We'll read this quickly. It says in here, this community is for anyone who is interested in learning new skills to improve their business by simply watching business related video tutorials on a wide range of subjects. Feel free to join this community. Please note you can only post business tutorials which have been uploaded to YouTube. Please do not post external links to videos. So I want people to post their videos in this community. I don't want them to put a link there going to another website where someone can watch the video. I want the video to be on this community page. That's the idea here. Underneath there, it's giving me the option to put a link. So it says I can add a link here. So I'm going to add this link. I'm going to put in the title. It's going to be DCP. In fact, I'm not going to put in the title. I'm just going to put in the URL, and the URL will be a link to. Let's see if it will actually. It may have to put in the title. I'm just going to put in a DCP Google Plus page. That's my main Google Plus page for my business. I'm going to paste in the URL and we'll click out of there. It should accept that now. And in here I'm going to add a location. So I'm just going to put in, location is optional, but I'm going to put London, United Kingdom. And here it's just asking me again who can join. I'm just going to say anyone can join. I don't want to delete this community, I want to create it. So once I've filled out all that information, you can add more categories to your one as well, and I may add more categories later. I may break these down into specific things like video tutorials for graphic design, video tutorials for WordPress, video tutorials for Google Plus even. So I can make loads of different categories, but for now I just want this one category to be there. I'm going to click done. And the first thing Google's going to ask me is, what do I want to do? I want to share something straight away. I'm going to click cancel just so we can look at what we see. And here you can see my little link to my Google Plus page, my DCP Google Plus page. It's giving me the location. It's got the description, just explaining about what this community is about. And then we've got a bit of information here. Notifications, basically, you can turn these off and on. And if you've got your Google Plus account hooked up to your phone, if anyone posts messages in here, you're going to get the notification to your phone. So you can turn this off and on. If you want the messages, you can. If you don't want them, you can turn them off. Here is all the members. So when members start to join, right now there's only one member, myself. But as other members start to join, this will increase and you'll see more icons here for all the different members that are going to join. So to give you a quick example, I'm going to click on video. And I want to post a new video here. So I'm going to go to my YouTube video page. And I'm going to pick one of these videos. Let's pick out this Windows 8 beginners tutorial. So I'm going to pause this video. I don't want it to play. I'm just going to pause it, and I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go to enter URL and paste, and it's going to show me the video now. I'm going to click add, and I can go back to my YouTube page, and this tutorial is suitable for anyone who is just starting Windows 8 or 8.1 and needs a quick beginner's guide. So I'm going to copy that information and I'm going to paste it here. And I might even write there Microsoft Windows 8 beginners tutorial, so that might be the little title here. Let's put that just above. And I'm going to hashtag it as well, so I'm going to write in here Windows 8 and when you hashtag, it just makes things a little bit easier for people to find these particular posts that you've done. So I'm going to click share, and that post will now show on this new community that I've created. If anyone's looking for a tutorial on Windows 8.1, they may well find this. They may find other ones as well, but they might find this one and start watching the video. They don't need to go to YouTube to watch it. It will play directly here. You can show it full screen if you want, so they can just see it directly in the community itself. And the idea here is that someone else can come along, join the community themselves, and post their own videos. That's the object of this particular. Hi, and welcome to this DCP Web. That's the object of this particular community that I've created here. Now with your community, you may want people not to post video. Well, you can get them to post videos, but you may also want them to post articles, general content. It's entirely your choice, but really you need to describe that here. So I've clearly said here that I only want posting of videos that have been uploaded to YouTube, because then they can be watched directly in the community page itself without having to go somewhere else to see it. That's the objective. So that's the conclusion of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you on the next tutorial.